Even the best solar system needs maintenance. Without it, performance will drop, and components may fail early. Here are the basics of solar maintenance. Clean the panels regularly to remove dust, leaves, and bird droppings. A dirty panel may lose up to 20% of its output. Check the batteries. Use a multimeter to test their voltage. If a 12-volt battery drops below 11 volts, it may have reached the end of its life. Check the inverter ventilation. Clear dust and debris from its cooling vents. Listen for error codes. Many inverters will beep or display error messages. Always check the manual for what the code means. Troubleshooting is about being systematic. If the system isn't working, start with the solar panels. Are they clean and connected? Then check the charge controller, then the batteries, and finally the inverter. Here's a scenario. A customer calls and says their system isn't powering the lights. What do you do? Step 1. Check if the panels are charging. Step 2. Check the battery voltage. Step 3. Check the inverter output. By moving step by step, you'll quickly find the issue. The key message: a small amount of regular maintenance prevents bigger and more expensive problems later. Now let's talk about safety, because in solar installation, safety is non-negotiable. Here are the main safety points to remember. Always connect the battery to the charge controller before connecting the panels. Doing it the other way can damage the controller. Double-check battery polarity before connecting to the inverter. Reversing the cables can permanently damage the inverter. Avoid oversizing charge controllers beyond recommended levels, it can shorten battery life. Always wear protective gear, such as gloves and safety glasses, when handling batteries. Lead-acid batteries can spill acid, and lithium batteries can be damaged by rough handling. Here's a quick activity. Imagine you are leading a team of technicians. What safety rules would you enforce to make sure installations are done correctly and safely? Take a moment to think of at least 2 rules. For example, always use the correct cable size, or always switch off the inverter before connecting batteries. Remember, saving time is never worth risking safety. We've covered a lot in this training. Let's quickly recap. We learned what solar energy is and the difference between solar thermal and solar PV. We explored solar panels, their types, and specifications. We studied the key components: charge controllers, batteries, and inverters. We looked at how to wire panels and batteries in series or parallel. We practiced system design and sizing. And we finished with maintenance, troubleshooting, and safety. Remember, solar installation is both a science and a craft. The science is in the calculations, the specifications, and the theory. The craft is in the wiring, the connections, and the care you put into your work. With the knowledge you've gained here, you're ready to take the next step, applying it in real installations. Thank you for participating in this training. And remember, the future of energy is solar, and you are part of making that future possible.